I don't know exactly what I'm doing. It's not that many videos out there to show you how to do it, so I'm gonna just do it. I'm taking off the whole rear end because it's super rusty, so I'm gonna clean it off, probably rebuild it, probably get a better one. I'm gonna try to speed this video up so that way you're not hearing me talking all the time. So this is the scary part. What I did was, it's the spring. I don't have a spring clamp. So it's scary. So what I'm gonna do, I got this car jack to put tension on this thing, and I'm gonna bag away and slowly let it down so that way the spring can do whatever it do. I'm gonna keep this attached so that way it don't fly out. So let's do that. I think I got everything apart, but it's still a screw that I just took off in there. So I think I gotta hammer that one out, and that's gonna be the scary part. So let's try to do that. Let's talk about the difficulty of taking out your rear end in your 1989 Mustang. Is it hard? Was it hard? I wouldn't say it's difficult, but it's not easy. Again, like I mentioned earlier, I don't have no guidance of like what to do, so I was just winging it. But we got it done. It's not hard. Just gotta have the right tools, some daylight, and at least 8 hours to 10 hours if you don't know what you're doing. So that way you're not rushing and rushing. But it's not hard. Now that is out, so you can see the slow-mo clips of it. That is the rear end of a 1989 Ford Mustang. Let's see. Ooh, almost got light hit it. There we go, right there. So that's a 1989 rear end out of a Ford Mustang. Yeah. If you like this, keep watching, cause we got we got some stuff to do. You know what I'm talking about? Nah, real talk. Thank you for watching, and thank y'all for watching the shorts, cause that helps out. All right, peace.